Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, the Import-Export Coach. You know, one thing I love about importing from China and being in Singapore is that a lot of importers actually come here to meet you as well. A lot of my clients come here to meet me. This is like the central hub where a lot of importers get together. There's a lot of expos, a lot of trade shows here. Behind me is the Marina Bay Sands. That is probably one of the most expensive hotels here. We're actually heading there tonight. And it is going to be an awesome blast where we're meeting two bunches of people. Potentially we're going to be working with them in 2019. But one thing I like about this is because Singapore is so close to everything, people actually do prefer coming here. It's kind of like a little holiday, right? So I've got a client who's meeting me from Japan. He's going to fly in here. I've got a client meeting me from Australia, and I'm actually potentially meeting a US client over here. So they're flying in to Singapore to meet me. So it's a really cool little hub. Rather than just going to China, because I don't know whether you've been to China before, but I mean, I've been there countless times. But you've got to get visas, and there's a big show and dance you've got to jump through unless you're going to Shanghai, right? So Singapore is very easy to get into, so it's really an awesome place to meet and greet. Guys, I hope your importing business is going really well. Today's tip is just going really just about opening opportunities, right? Opening up opportunities. Where can you meet your supplier? Have you narrowed down your niche yet? Have you narrowed down your product yet? If you haven't yet done it, guys, get on it, because 2019 is fast approaching, really is fast approaching. You're not just going to narrow down that product, a niche, you're going to narrow down a supplier, all right? And there's suppliers are plenty. There's so much opportunity out there, guys. You've just really got to go out there and seize upon it. I mean, importing is really, a lot of people don't really pursue importing. They just buy locally and sell on Amazon or sell on eBay. They don't particularly think going directly to the factory because they don't really see the opportunity. Well, they don't really, maybe their mindset or for whatever reason, they just don't really do it. So guys, there's a big opportunity for you in 2019. So make sure you jump on it. Think big, because it takes the same amount of effort and energy to think big than it is to think small. Have an awesome day, guys. Happy importing. Talk to you real soon. See you later.